Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the cultivation of virus. The virus is being cultivated by three methods, which is animal inoculation, egg inoculation, as well as tissue culture. The tissue culture is separated into organ culture, explant culture, and cell line. In animal inoculation, which is used for research purpose, in infant suckling mice and used, that if the virus is hard to cultivate, so it is cultivated in animal inoculation. Example, arbovirus and Coxsackie virus. These viruses are hard to cultivate, so they are using the animal inoculation to cultivate these viruses. Now, but this is banned due to killing of many animals. So, for some purpose it is used for animal inoculation still now. Egg inoculation. Hen egg or duck egg is used for animal inoculation. This is most useful for preparing vaccine, because duck egg are used for cultivation for vaccine, because it contains the duck egg is so big so that we can get numerous vaccine from it. So mostly duck egg are used rather than hen egg. Here it is the picture of the embryonated hen egg, in which this is an embryo, in which around it, which is known as chorioallantoic membrane, and there is an amniotic sac which is present around the embryo, a small one, and which there is a yolk sac which is down to the embryo, and allantoic cavity, and shell, and air space. And these are the four important things you should remember: amniotic sac, chorioallantoic membrane, embryo, allantoic sac, and yolk sac. If you remember these, we can study about the egg inoculation, where there are four routes of administration of the virus into these, which is chorioallantoic membrane, allantoic cavity, as well as yolk sac and amniotic sac. Here the four routes of inoculation are yolk sac inoculation in chlamydia and rickettsia. In amniotic cavity, there is inoculation of virus, which is influenza virus. Allantoic cavity, a bigger cavity used for getting high yield of vaccine. Here the allantoic cavity is used for preparing vaccine, because it's a bigger cavity, so we can get more vaccine. Duck egg is used rather than hen egg, because we can yield more vaccine from it. Chorioallantoic membrane, just used in pox virus and herpes simplex virus. Tissue culture, organ culture, tracheal ring. Some viruses have specificity for some organs. Example, coronavirus, it has more specific to tracheal ring. So, there we can culture the virus. Explant culture. Fragmentation of the tissue can be used. Fragments of tissue. The fragments which is of the tissue can be used for this explant culture. Example, adenoid explant for adenovirus. Cell line, which is preparation of cell line. Cell line culture. This tissue culture can be divided into three, which is organ, explant, and cell line. The cell line preparation of cell line is primary cell line, secondary cell line or diploid cell line, continuous cell line. These are the preparation of the cell line. Detection of viral growth in the cell culture is by cytopathic effect, viral interference, heme desorption, as well as DIFA, immunoperoxidase staining, electron microscopy, and virus gene detection. These are the detection of the viral growth of the cell culture. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe my channel.